Hey guys, welcome back. It is hair day at our household, and so today we're working on my daughter's hair. We're going to be cleansing her hair with the apple cider vinegar and baking soda rinse. So I'm going to do that first and then just rinse it out. I can't find her bonnet, so I'm not going to be able to kind of let it sit on her hair like I would like to do. Not saying that that's the right thing to do, that's just what I would prefer to do. But since I can't find her bonnet, we're just going to do a nice rinse, then make sure with like a warm water, rinse it clear, and then once we rinse it clear, we're going to go ahead and retighten her locks. So let's do this, guys. Your eyes are closed. I haven't done anything. Your eyes are closed. And 3, 2, 1. We're going to start on this side, okay? I'm just rinsing your hair with it. Okay? I just don't want any to get in your eyes. That's all we're doing. We're just rinsing. If I had the bonnet, then I would have let it kind of soak in. Okay. Now I'm going to do this side. You hear it? Okay. Girl, you're doing awesome.
Will it get on my eyes?
Not if you followed directions and kept that towel on your face. And this is just water, okay?
Is it cold or hot?
It's warm. You're just rinsing everything out, got it? You're doing so wonderful. I am so keep that towel. Okay, we're going on this side first. And we're just rinsing. Just rinsing, okay? That's all Mama's doing. I'm going to do the back next. You did so good with this. Now, yeah, I'm almost finished. I gotta rinse it all out. 3, 2, 1, up.
Can I see now?
No. Because, Oliver, you do not need to be in this bathroom.
Was I very brave?
You did awesome. You can take that off. Wow!
I was so brave.
You did great.
Can I hear that bubbly sound?
Oh no, we're all out. I used it all. We just did a simple rinse. We didn't do anything fancy. Oliver. We didn't do anything fancy, okay?
That?
Okie dokies.
Yeah, it's wet.
I know it's wet.
Can I take it off?
No.
Keep it on until it's dry?
No, we're going to go downstairs and retighten your locks, girl.
Mommy, I want to wear a different dress.
Because it's a little wet?
Yes.
It's okay. It's going to be a little bit wet. It's okay. Oliver, thank you. It's girl time.
Look. It's just like a puzzle.
It's just like, oh, go girl.
It's just like Jasmine.
Yeah. Hey guys, all right, so we are finished with our apple cider vinegar and baking soda rinse. I would have loved to have kept it in her hair longer, but we just did a rinse. She had a lot of buildup on her scalp and a lot of buildup in her locks, and so that helped to kind of clean up that buildup. And this is buildup from a lot of the old shampoos and conditioners that I was using before, so it's been in there for a while, so at least we got a lot of that out. And I think what I'm going to do is do a rinse maybe once a quarter, and just to keep it nice and fresh. She still has a little bit of buildup in her scalp, but it was really, really bad, guys. It was really bad. So we got most of it out. So she has a fresh retightening. She's doing her tracer pose for you. So that's it. I think it looks great. Do you like it? Alrighty. Well, that's it, guys. We'll see you at the next hair checkup. I think that's September for 2 years. 2 years in September. We're getting there, girl. You did good today. I'm proud of you.
That bubbling made me tingle.
The bubbling made you tingle. All right. Bye, guys. Bye.
We'll see you next time, kids. Bye-bye.